Good morning, children. Welcome to Kakatiya e-learning program. Hope you are all safe at home, taking safety precautions. Use hand sanitizer compulsory and wear mask compulsory when you are going outside. Okay. So in our last class we have discussed sharing burden story. Yes, I have explained about the story of sharing the burden. So it is the story about washerman and donkey and horse. So the main characters are horse, donkey and washerman Bhima. Yes, so I have told the story, and what are the keywords which are present in your story? Unbearable, load, exhausted, dragging, collapsed and bundle. Okay, UNBEARABLE, unbearable, unable to control, load, LOAD, EXHAUSTED, exhausted. Next one is dragging, DRAGGING, dragging. Next one collapsed, COLLAPSED, collapsed. BUNDLE, bundle, collection of things. Okay, these are the keywords which are present in your lesson, sharing burden. So what happened in this story? So once upon a time in a village, there used to live one washerman with his donkey and horse. So this is your first lesson, sharing burden, right? So see here, horse, donkey and washerman. Okay. So let us read the story and afterwards we'll come to know what is there in the story. So let us go into that lesson. So once there lived a washerman named Bhima. So his name is Bhima. He had a donkey and a horse. The donkey carried clothes to the pond and back to his house, whereas the horse carried Bhima to the market and back occasionally. So the donkey worked much harder than the horse. So on a bright sunny day, Bhima was going to the pond with donkey. He took the horse along to give it a drink of water. The donkey was carrying a heavy load of clothes. The horse was carrying nothing. So the load was unusually very heavy and the donkey's back was hurting. So here you can see in the second picture. So the washerman Bhima has given a heavy load to the donkey and he has not given any load to the horse. So just they were passing through the street. So what happens, we'll see now. So when the pain became very unbearable, the donkey said to the horse, "This load is too much for me, brother. Please take some of this load on your back." So this donkey has asked horse to take some load. Then horse replied somewhat very rudely, "Hey, why should I? I am here only to carry a master to the market." So the proud horse continued on his way. So the day was getting hotter as the day went on. Donkey felt totally exhausted. He was but almost dragging himself. Hump! The donkey tried to move. But he just could not. The poor donkey collapsed to the ground. What has happened to the poor donkey, thought the washerman. Immediately, he took the load off the donkey. Indeed, the load really was heavy. So, the washerman thought that I should have been little more careful. I shouldn't have give this much of load to the donkey. And then the washerman, he gave some water to the donkey. The donkey has settled. Then afterwards the washerman then picked up that bundle of clothes from the back of the donkey and placed it on the horse's back. Came the sound from the horse's mouth. I should have helped the donkey. I made a mistake. Now the horse has realized that I should have helped the donkey. See now, all the heavy load on me only now. I made a mistake. I should have taken half the load when the donkey requested me. So now I realize sharing burden is easier. The horse carried the heavy load of clothes for the remaining distance. Thereafter both the donkey and the horse worked together. So what we have understood, if someone is in trouble or someone wants our help, when we are very free, we should help them. Yes, we should help them compulsory. So by this, what we have understood, that we have to share the burden. See example, so morning your mother will be in kitchen, right? Your mother will be in kitchen. So very little help you can do to her, so that her burden becomes very less. Okay. So with this, we have to share the burden. If someone asks for our help, if we are free, compulsory, we should help them. So this is the story about the donkey and the horse. Hope you have understood. Thank you.